The Golden Gate Bridge, an iconic American landmark, is a must-visit destination. Here are some highlights and tips for visiting. Spectacular Views offers breathtaking views of the San Francisco skyline, Alcatraz Island, and the Pacific Ocean. Popular viewpoints include Battery Spencer on the Marin side and Fort Point at the southern end. Walking and biking. Pedestrians and cyclists can access the bridge via separate pathways. Walking the entire length takes about 45 minutes to an hour each way. Visitor centers. The Golden Gate Bridge Welcome Center, located at the south end, provides historical exhibits and a gift shop. The Bridge Pavilion offers interactive displays and informative resources about the bridge's construction and history. Photography. The best times for photography are early morning or late afternoon to capture the bridge in the soft light. Foggy days add a mystical element to photos, a common sight due to the local climate. Nearby attractions. Golden Gate Park, home to the California Academy of Sciences and the De Young Museum. Sausalito, a charming town across the bridge, offers waterfront dining and unique shops. Tips for visiting. Weather. San Francisco's weather can be unpredictable. Dress in layers and be prepared for wind and fog. Parking. Limited parking is available at both ends of the bridge. Consider using public transportation to avoid parking hassles. Crowds. The bridge is a popular tourist destination. Visit early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid peak times. Fun fact. Construction. The bridge's construction took 4 years and employed innovative engineering techniques. It was the longest and tallest suspension bridge in the world upon completion. Visiting the Golden Gate Bridge is a memorable experience, offering a mix of natural beauty, impressive engineering, and rich history.